Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making mango sticky rice guys. But before you watching my video, please don't forget subscribe me. Thank you so much guys. I'm going to use 4 pieces of mango and 400 grams sweet rice. Washing the sweet rice first guys. After you wash, pour some of water and leave it for 2 hours. And after that, throw away the water guys, and then cook it in the rice cooker. And I'm going to add 350 milliliter of coconut milk. Put it all the coconut milk, all of them guys. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it a little bit first guys, and cook it. Press on rice and wait until the sweet rice cook. And for the cream topping, I'm going to use 200 milliliter of coconut milk, 100 grams sugar, and half teaspoon salt. I'm going to boil it first guys. Boil it until the sugar getting melt. Okay, it's boiled already. I'm going to take it out guys. And the sweet rice already cooked right now. And now I'm going to slice it all the mango first guys. I already put it on the plate. And this is the coconut cream guys for the topping. I'm going to put it on the top of the sweet rice. On my sweet rice guys, I like to put it more coconut cream on it. It tastes so delicious. Tastes really good guys. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like my video, don't forget share to somebody else. Okay, thank you everyone and have a great weekend. Bye guys.